Wow.
Happy late 4th of July.
Happy, really, for real. I never said that in my video. Happy late 4th of July. We got NewJeans.
NewJeans.
Super Shy. I already watched NewJeans. NewJeans.
He showed me.
And I showed her.
So good.
And I was like, there's another one coming out.
I'm really excited.
So, without further ado, everything is recording. Yeah, okay. Let's do this then.
Yay.
In 3, 2, 1. Play my intro. I like the vest.
Yeah, right? It's a vibe.
And
and then my earrings. Ooh, okay, a bicycle. We got some different colors in there.
Alright, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. We riding.
Oh.
Where are they?
Okay, aesthetic. The colors are giving. Yes, Danielle.
Danielle.
Yes.
Are they in Venice? What is this, Europe?
Yeah, it feels like it's in Europe. Yes. Okay.
Okay, we're going on a picnic.
Okay, we're going on a picnic, but you know, bike riding.
A lot of
hanging with
families.
our friends.
They're
wearing all white.
They're
okay.
wearing all white and like
Ooh.
their characters on their
Ooh,
shirt.
there's songs playing.
Oh,
they're
working
doing...
out to it?
Okay, they're working out to NewJeans.
Aw, why does this remind me of like a Disney family vacation movie?
Hey.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Ooh. Ooh.
Hey, I love this.
Hey,
Oh, this is cute.
This is fire.
It's like a dance class, exercise dance class.
Okay.
I'm on my all the time.
I fuck with it.
Super shy.
Ooh.
Hold up. Hey. In a public bus transportation?
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, okay, whacking.
Okay.
Ooh. Yes.
Do ya.
The dance is so good.
It's already a bop. Make you mine. I'm on mine. Look at all the dancers were dancing for a second.
Hey. Make you mine. Get it. Ah, they're so
like
cute.
That.
Hey,
oh, where's this?
Let's go.
It's like
in a market.
Fresh market?
Yeah, like fish market.
I like how they're like scribbling.
Ooh.
Oh. Okay, Danielle. Hey.
Let's go.
Where is this? I don't even know where this is. Someone tell me. Super shy. Hey. Get it.
Woo!
Hey.
I like the change up here.
Oh, they made a bunny. I just realized.
Yes.
They're building a bunny.
Yay.
Ooh.
Ooh,
This is a vibe.
the colors are nice.
They're vibrant as hell.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Whoever color corrected this must be so happy.
I'm telling you,
gosh.
NewJeans are just a vibe. They're
Yes.
immaculate. They march out.
They march out.
Super shy. That's
Super
it?
shy.
They feel all short, but they're all like
but it
3
was
minutes.
so nice. I liked it.
They're all like 3 minutes.
Wow. Like it had similar vibes to NewJeans.
Right.
But it was still different. I enjoyed
Yeah, I know
that.
what you mean.
Yeah. The dance in particular
Dance
is fire.
I love the dance.
Yeah. Super catchy. Like
Let's look at it.
easy to do.
Hi to? Oh, just this class? It's such a random
I love it.
intro. I love it. I can't predict it.
I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mad. 달리는 지금도 you're on my mind. All the time I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. I'm super shy, but wait a minute while
What the dog doing?
The dance is actually really catchy.
Yeah, it is.
떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind.
Yeah, even like this is a little change up,
Yeah.
right? But it's still super
Yeah,
catchy.
but-
I love it. It's like if you like practice it for a
It
while.
looks good in the crowd.
Yeah. You could just get a bunch of people to dance to this and it'd be super dope.
That's fire. It seems like they have things. Wait, everything. Is there arguments all the time?
Arguments?
Every time they start.
Go.
Because I don't know if you noticed that, like, the breakup here. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh.
And then right here.
Oh, true.
And then I don't know if it's gonna happen again. If that's on purpose.
Oh.
Because I was like, oh, it's such a upbeat song, but then I see like someone arguing. It's such a bomb. It's a head bomb.
Yeah.
When is NewJeans going on tour? Nah. Is that too early? Nah, I just want to see it live. Woo!
I like this. Yeah, the change up here. That's fucked up if they don't even know your name. Yeah. Hey.
Ooh, little ad-lib edits. Hey, hey, hey. How does it? Boom.
It's
Boom,
bum,
boom.
bum, bum. Yes. Bum, bum, bum.
That is cute. Okay, and this is not over. Supposedly there's gonna be a lot more in the coming months or even before. So I'm just excited for more NewJeans, to be honest.
It's gonna be fire.
Every time NewJeans drops something, everybody's like, we gotta check it out.
I can't wait for everything to release. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm so just in love with the dance.
I love
Like if I just
the
played
music
it on
videos.
repeat,
Which one?
just the song,
Yeah. No, it'll be fine. I wouldn't
it'll-
notice that it'll be looped.
it would.
The whole album is gonna be on a loop, I think.
I'll be listening to it, and then I won't even be listening to it, and it'll be in my head.
Cause in NewJeans is the intro to the album. So I guess Super Shy is the title track.
I don't know.
All right, y'all. Put in the comments
That
down
was
below what you
fire.
guys think of NewJeans, the music video, the song. What are you anticipating? I'm excited for the next one. I don't know when that's gonna come out. Actually, it didn't say. Nope.
What was your favorite part of the music video?
What was
Let us know
yours?
below.
Yes, and like this video, share this video, and subscribe. The music
Ring that
video-
bell.
Yes, please ring that bell for notifications and link in the description to the official music video if you guys want to check it out and go stream it. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Super shy, super shy.
Oh my mind. Oh my mind. Oh, super shy.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
I wanna tell you, but